Hello, my beautiful souls. Welcome sa ating tarot reading sessions. Keep in mind, general reading po ito. Maring mag-resonate, maring hindi. Kunin nyo na lang po kung para sa inyo and leave the rest. Maring mag-shift the energies or magkabaliktad ang sitwasyon. Kaya kayo na pong bahala kung saan kayo nakalugar sa reading natin. Ang daming cards na nahulog. Tapos bottom card snake na naman. Okay, so ayan. Notification. So, may marireceive ka na mga notification, message, letter, or comment sa inyong social media na itong taong ito ay, or pwede rin may magsabi sa'yo na, sa ibang tao na itong taong ito ay maring past person na nag-i-stalk sa'yo ngayon, and then kasi ngayon single na siya. So kung may hinihintay kang person or tong person mo from the past na nagkaroon ng ibang relationship, ngayon nagmamasid-masid siya sa'yo at sinasabi niya, I'm single, ready to mingle, mga ganyan. Kaya magugulat ka, baka bigla na lang siya mag-like sa mga bago mong post sa social media, and message or letter or kung ano man tong gagawin niya. Kasi parang may naghihintay dito ng right timing, tamang panahon, mga ganyan. So, tingnan natin. So, ang dami kasing nahulog. Can't feel the energy. So, ibalik natin. So, we have here the 8 of Wands, 10 of Cups. Wow. King of Wands, the 9 of Wands, Knight of Pentacles, Queen of Cups, the 6 of Swords, and the Strength card. Bottom card natin, Ace of Wands. Okay, so may strong Leo energy tayo dito and a fire sign. Aries, Leo, Sag. And let's see, ano message ng Archangel natin? We have Breathe by Archangel Raphael. Take several deep breaths and exhale slowly to awaken your energy and to release old patterns. So kung iniisip mo old patterns na ito, toxic cycles, toxic patterns in the past na kailangan mo nang i-eliminate, tanggalin sa buhay mo, go for it. Lalo na kung snake energy, ayan, so kayo lang makakaalam nito, no, kung gusto niyo nang iwasan tong taong to. And kasi may naman coming in naman din na isa pang energy dito na with this new fresh 8 of Wands energy and the Ace of Wands energy natin dito na maaaring fire sign to or air sign with a bird, ayan, or fire and air. So, tingnan natin. Kasi may kailangan kang cycle na kailangan tapusin or kailangan na i-eliminate sa iyong life bago dumating itong paparating pa na isa. So, tingnan natin. Ano ba yan? Sabog na sabog. Sige, tingnan natin to. Starting to understand our connection. I feel you even though we are apart. The timing just wasn't right for us. I want you. Just being near you is intoxicating. I hid who I really am from you. I feel you leaving me behind, and we will be together again. Sometimes I stay awake thinking about you. Bottom card. And let's see sa tarot messages, oracle cards natin. And then I saw 444 angel number. Strong and independent. Being defensive. husband, wife material, business is business. I can't decide. I love your humor, keeping tabs on you, and I want to surprise you. Ayan o. So, taong to is nakamasid-masid yan sa iyo. Bottom card, can't let you go. So, parang hindi pa rin makamove on tong taong to, kaya nagmamasid-masid yan. Ayan, tingnan natin sa initials. Letter B, J, Z, Q, P, T, C, I, N, X. Bottom card, letter D. So, let's see sa ating blue card. We have here prophecy, engagement, and union of hearts. Okay. And let's see sa ating general signs and messages. Kasi may kailangan kang bitawan eh. Maaring karmic cycle, toxic karmic cycle na kailangan mo ng bitawan with the energy ng snake card para pumasok itong fresh and new energy na ito na maaring very promising to na hinihintay mo na din to na dumating, no? Eh, maaaring ito na yung taong ito na talagang nakalaan sa'yo, ayan, with the prophecy, engagement, or maaaring isa din sa iyong past person, pero hindi itong kailangan mong bitawan. Kung may kailangan kang bitawan eh. So, alam mo na yan kung sino ito na kailangan mong bitawan para dito sa isang taong ito na paparating sa buhay mo. Kasi hindi siya makakapasok kung pipiliin mo na naman tong snake energy na to eh. So, we have here perfect smile, full of charisma. Patience, please. Killer smile, very serious. Number 9, party animal, May, mountain, vulnerable. Crazy for you, Capricorn. Past person, high expectations. South PH, animal lover. Number 3, smart. Aries sign, chaser. Ayan, mga plastic persons. June. Future lover, quiet person, Libra. Number 2, divine feminine, cute and chubby, confusing soon. Number 10, ayan, kasi ang daming ko nakikita ang 10 din dito. Completion, mga cycles na kailangan tapusin bago dumating itong taong to na matagal mong hinihintay. Fire sign, Aries, Leo, Sagittarius. So, yan ang ating reading. Thank you for watching. Take care and God bless. See you in our next reading, guys. Bye-bye.